So many new things are happening in the world of tech. We'll have so many new smartphones and gadgets very soon. Realme 9 series is launching. Redmi is bringing its Note 11 series to India. We'll also have the Redmi Band Pro launching on the same day. Then there is the Oppo Reno 7 series launching on Feb 4. I'm not sure who is buying all these smartphones, all these gadgets, but there's no stopping these smartphone companies. And I'm sure this leads to a lot of confusion. So you must have a lot of questions which we address every Friday in this Q&A session, which we call Let's Get Techie. And today also I have a lot of questions which I'll try and answer. But in case you have more questions, what you need to do is go to the comment section, put in your question, use the hashtag Let's Get Techie, and I'll take up all those questions next week. And for all of you who are a little disappointed that you could not win our giveaway, well, we'll have more giveaways soon. So stay tuned, subscribe to Fiiber, and let's start today's video. My name is Manas Tiwari. The first question that I have today is a very interesting one, and it's from Umruddin. Umruddin asks, sir, is it worth paying extra and high cost for wireless charger and water resistance in Android smartphones? Umruddin, here's the thing. I think you should definitely pay extra cost for water resistance. I think it's a very important feature. A lot of people are ignorant towards this, but I have seen a lot of people, damaging their phones because of dropping it in the water or because of dust. So that is one feature you should definitely consider while buying a phone, especially if you're spending on a flagship device. Now, as far as wireless charging goes, no, I think you can easily skip that feature. It's more of a luxury than a necessity right now. A lot of normal users, they do not even have wireless chargers. People who are tech savvy, who are in touch with latest technology all the time, might have wireless chargers, but not everyone. So they can definitely skip a wireless charging. You can always use a power bank to charge your phone, but water resistance for sure you should consider. Next question is from Status Lover. Actually इनका क्वेश्चन नहीं है, इनका एक पॉइंट था कि ब्रो आप हिंदी में बोलो. तो सर हिंदी वाली बात ये है कि हमारा एक हिंदी चैनल भी है, उसका नाम है फाइबर हिंदी. ये है फाइबर, वो फाइबर हिंदी है, जहाँ पर हम हिंदी में वीडियोस बनाते हैं. वहाँ पर हम हिंदी में रिव्यूज़ भी करते हैं, आपको टेक टिप्स भी देते हैं, और हर फ्राइडे को वहाँ पर भी एक Q&A वीडियो आता है. तो अगर आपको हिंदी में वीडियो देखना है, आप हमारा वो वाला चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लो. दिस चैनल, ये वाला जो चैनल है, ये स्पेसिफिकली इंग्लिश यूजर्स के लिए, इनको इंग्लिश में अपना कंटेंट कंज्यूम करना पसंद है, पर हिंदी वालों को भी हम भूलते नहीं है. अब वहां पर आ जाओ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम एशार मंजर. क्वेश्चन इज, कैन यू प्लीज मेक अ वीडियो ऑन सैमसंग इकोसिस्टम बिकॉज एप्पल इकोसिस्टम इज कॉस्टली. कैन वी टेक अ चांस ऑन सैमसंग? आई थिंक यू कैन. I have, so there was a time, I think a couple of years back, I was on the Samsung ecosystem. I had a Samsung Tab, I was using a Samsung flagship phone, I also was using the Samsung Buds, and it's pretty good. I won't say it's as good as the Apple ecosystem because Apple, somewhat gives you that seamless connectivity between these devices. It's a lot more convenient to use as compared to Samsung or any other ecosystem. And to be honest, Aishar, what I'll tell you is, ecosystem in the Android world is very overrated. Apple ecosystem has a different USP altogether, but in Android you can easily assemble different gadgets from different brands and still use them as an ecosystem. So if you have a Samsung phone, you can easily use it with a Sony earbuds because you will still get that fast pair, you will still get that multi-pair Bluetooth connectivity. All of those features you will still get. So if you are in the Android ecosystem, I would say make wise decisions. Just don't go for a particular brand to create that ecosystem. It's a very overrated concept. Go for useful devices, put them together, and then see it will work like magic. And if we get a chance, we will definitely try and make a video on a Samsung and an Apple ecosystem. Next question is from Yellow Aesthetic. भाई कमाल के नाम रखते हो आप लोग. स्टेटस लवर है हमारे पास, शटर आइज है हमारे पास, येलो एस्थेटिक भी आ गए हैं हमारे पास. And the question is, can you suggest a student laptop under rupees 40,000? Is the convertible 2-in-1 laptop good? So I recommended this laptop last week as well. One of our subscribers had asked a similar question. So under 40,000, I think the Infinix InBook X1, which was launched very recently in India, makes for a good laptop for any student or early, working professionals. It looks good, very nice and bright colors you get. There are different GPU configurations you can choose from, and it's very affordable, light on your pocket. So you can definitely consider the Infinix InBook for this. Now, as far as the convertible laptops go, see, first of all, I don't think you will get a convertible laptop, a good convertible laptop for around rupees 40,000. If you know of any, you let me know in the comment section. Any convertible laptop will cost you a lot more than what your budget is. I mean, 60-70,000 ke aaspaas aapko, you will get a decent convertible laptop. Again, the concept is slightly overrated. If you have that sort of money, you can spend on it. You can use it as a tablet as well as a laptop. But the concept is again overrated. I don't see a lot of people, actually using these convertible laptops as seamlessly as they are made to sound like. So unless you have that sort of money and you're willing to spend, better skip it and spend on a good budget laptop. The last question is from Somdev 1977. Sir, huge respect for you because I've been following you for the last 10-12 videos. You have been making sure that you put a question every single week. Thank you for all your love and support. The question is, there are some imported Pixel 5a, 6, etc. on sale on Amazon. Is it advisable to buy these at higher price, or shall we wait till the launch of Pixel 5a, 6a, considering warranty service issues? Sir, this is kind of a mystery how these Pixel 6a and 5a have emerged on, Pixel 6 and 5 have emerged on your Amazon, because this phone wasn't supposed to be launched in India. It hasn't launched in India, and I have dropped in a message with the Amazon team after receiving your question to check and find out how exactly this has happened, because are these genuine products or they have been just listed like that? I'm yet to hear from the Amazon team. As soon as I do, I will let you know. But for now, I think you should rather not get into this game. Even if you want to buy a Pixel 6, see if there is someone traveling from the US and you can ask them to buy it for you. Don't buy it through Amazon, because we are not sure who the sellers are, who have listed these products. There could be a lot of issues that you may have to deal with later on. So rather skip it. And also you can wait for Pixel 6a, of course. Pixel 5a, I still think there is not a huge chance of it launching in India. Pixel 6a might come, so you can definitely wait for it. So these were the questions that I had for today, guys. Again, I'm requesting you put in more questions. There are a lot of phone launches happening next week. I'm sure you will have a lot of questions around them, laptops, smart wearables, whatever it is. Feel free to ask those questions. I'll take up all of them in next week's video. Thank you for watching.